which language is being used to code PulseChain. In this video, we'll be looking into which programming language the devs of PulseChain are writing its code in and why this is so important. Hello and welcome to ABCrypto. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get started. Despite the delay in the launch of PulseChain, it is still winning in every possible way due to its better market fit and product fundamentals. As a result, different projects want to be on PulseChain, which is why over 135 plus projects are already getting built on it. And while being at it, the community of PulseChain is also seeing a massive growth, as almost every day more people are following its social media channels, only helping to spread the message and expand PulseChain's reach. On the other hand, as Richard Heart has not given us an exact date of PulseChain's launch yet, the number of rumors surrounding it is growing. Some believe he's timing the market, while others think that he's just giving a final look at the bugs in PulseChain's code. Regardless of the community's rumors, one thing that no one can deny is that PulseChain will be launched. When it does, it will guarantee big profits and may very well become a desired layer 1 for many investors, developers, and entrepreneurs. We know this because of the hard work Richard Heart is putting into it. And this is also why Heart has often said, good things just take time. No one can deny this with suitable software because historically, almost every successful software project got delayed due to the unexpected. And if you want to get ahead of the game for PulseX, make your way to PulseXtokens.com. Here you can also list new token projects for free, vote for your community's project, and utilize their free PulseX faucet for 100 PulseX per day that will be queued up and given to you at launch, all in exchange for simply getting their name out there. You can use my personal links down below and can become an affiliate yourself to earn 20% from any users who join using your link. Now, coming back to our main question, which programming language are the devs of PulseChain writing its code in, and is this a good thing? Especially when most of the code was already completed on Solidity. Before we dive deeper into that, it is first necessary to understand what a programming language is for software. And in simple words, a programming language is what makes or breaks software because the language in which the code is written acts as the backbone of software. If there are some issues, the software just won't work. Think of it this way. Before constructing a building, there is an entire pool of experts who do its blueprint, which helps to define where everything will go. If there are issues with the blueprint, it will impact the entire building, ultimately causing it to collapse. So, without a good programming language, there's a chance that the software just wouldn't work to its optimal ability and may end up causing future hiccups. This is something that Richard Heart does not want to happen and therefore decided to opt for Go language. Earlier, the devs of PulseChain were writing its code on Solidity, which is undeniably one of the most common programming languages in the blockchain world due to its practicality. However, since Solidity is becoming a bit outdated, Heart and his team decided that they are still in a situation where they can shift away from it, or at least experiment with the new one, which is the Go language. Many developers have commended this step due to the following pros of the Go language. Reason number 1, Go language is faster. Since the Go language removes Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM, it works faster and more efficiently. This is not the case with Solidity, as without the help of EVMs, the code cannot move to and fro, thus taking more time and slowing down transactions. So, in a way, the Go language helps remove the middleman and makes the information move faster, ultimately leading to faster transactions on PulseChain. Reason number 2, it's simple to learn and use. Another great thing about the Go language is that it is much easier to learn, especially for developers, because of how everything is put clearly on it. This is also a reason why the Go language is getting adopted industry-wide and why it took little to no time for PulseChain devs to grasp it. And since it is easier to learn and implement, the code written on it can also be easily modified by future developers of PulseChain if there ever comes a need to do so. Reason number 3, lower chances of errors while coding. Go language is a compiled language. What this means is that as developers are building a program on it, everything is being tested when they're moving. The moment the system sees that there is an error or a bug, it immediately stops there and asks the developer to fix it first. This saves a lot of time for developers as they can fix the problem on the spot without having to return just for a tiny mistake. Reason number 4, concurrency. In programming, there is a need for several other parts of programs to run in parallel. This is known as concurrency, which helps to improve throughput. Threads in Java and other languages are used to achieve coexistence. In the Go language, this job is done by Go routines, which is similar to other things the Go language does that help to improve speed. And since Go routines take up 250 times less space than others, this significantly helps to run an increasing number of Go routine concurrency. Definitely a very big deal. So clearly, choosing the Go language over Solidity is one of the biggest and most significant decisions by Richard Hart, which will only help to ensure PulseChain falls faithful to its promises. Unfortunately, this may take some time, which is also evident with the delays seen with PulseChain. But one thing's for sure, when PulseChain finally goes live, it will be rock solid. And with the Go language, it's guaranteed. So, what do you think? Do you think the Go language is really all that great? Like always, don't forget to share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comment section down below. This brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.